10th problem. Prove that 1 plus secant 2 theta into 1 plus secant 4 theta etc. 1 plus secant 2 power n theta equal to tan 2 power n theta into cot theta. So I want to substitute the value of secant theta as 1 by cos. Okay. So here I want to take this secant 2 theta as 1 by cos 2 theta. This secant 4 theta as 1 by cos 4 theta. This secant 2 power n theta can be written as 1 by cos 2 power n theta. Here we can take the LCM as cos 2 theta plus 1 by cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta plus 1 by cos 4 theta etc. cos 2 power n theta plus 1 by cos 2 power n theta. At the numerator we can write this as a factors. So cos 2 theta plus 1 into cos 4 theta plus 1 into etc. cos 2 power n theta plus 1 divided by, at the denominator just we can write this as a factor, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta etc. It goes on till cos 2 power n theta. And then we want to write this as cos 2 theta plus 1 as a formula. We have 2 cos square theta. That is 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. And here 1 plus cos 4 theta can be written as 2 cos square 2 theta. For this 4 theta here we have to write as 2 theta. Like it goes off. And here at the last term we have cos 2 power n plus 1. It can be written as 2 cos square 2 power n minus 1 theta at the last term. Divided by, at the denominator also we have the same things here, cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos power 2 power n theta. And then I have that common factor that 2 occurs n times, isn't it? So we can take this 2 as 2 power n here, and cos theta also in each and every term we have cos theta. So take cos theta here. So 2 power n into cos theta as the common factor. So the remaining things we have in the bracket, cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta etc. cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. In the bracket we have, instead of this bracket we have some identity like this, sin 2 power n a divided by 2 power n sin a. That expansion value we have there, that is the proof only there. Okay. So simply we can use it here. So that formula we can keep this here as this one. This proof we have already in that example 3.32, isn't it? So we are using that proof here. So directly we can, suppose if it is asked in the 5 mark question, we have to write that proof also here. Okay. So it becomes now cos 2 power, here it must be the sin, isn't it? So this is wrong there. It is sin. That proof we have sin only. So sin 2 power n theta divided by 2 power n into sin theta. We have to use theta here. And then this sin 2 power n theta and cos 2 power n theta can be written as tan, isn't it? The tan 2 power n theta is here, and then this 2 power n and 2 power n will be get cancelled. The remaining thing we have cos theta by sin theta. So it becomes cot theta. Okay. 11th sum. Prove that 32 root 3 sin pi by 48 degree cos pi by 48 degree into cos pi by 24 into cos pi by 12 into cos pi by 6 equal to 10. Take the left hand side. 32 root 3 into sin pi by 8 into cos pi by 8 into cos pi by 24 into cos pi by 12 into cos pi by 6. I want to multiply by 2. Multiply and divide by 2 here. So that this multiplication 2 is here and division 2 is here. So this 32 by 2 will become as 16 root 3. Keep as it is. Here this 2 sin, I want to group this 2 terms here. Sin 45 pi by 48 into cos pi by 48 along with this 2. So I want to group this. This can be written as 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. Instead of A we have pi by 48. So sin 2 into pi by 48. So if we cancel these two, I can get sin pi by 24, isn't it? So now I have 24 only there. So simply 24. So I want to group along with this next terms as it is, keep as it is. Cos pi by 24 into cos pi by 12 into cos pi by 6. Now again I want to group the next terms there. Likewise, the sin pi by 24 and cos pi by 24, I want to group that. So if I want to group that, at the same time I want to multiply and divide by 2 again, once again here. So if I multiply and divide by 2, I kept like this, and sin pi by 24 and cos 25 pi by 24 is here. Take this 2 outside there, and then I have simply 2 sin pi by 24 and cos pi by 24. This can be written as 2 sin 2a. That means sin 2 into a is pi by 4. Here even I can cancel this 2 and 24. So that I have simply sin pi by 12. And I want to group this sin pi by 12 along with the next term. So now I got cos pi by 12 there. Here also I want to multiply and divide with 2 here. So take this 2 here. So it will become 4. So 4 root 3 is there. And the remaining 2 root pi by 12 into cos pi by 12 can be written as sin 2 pi by 12. So it is in the form of 2 sin A cos A here. It can be written as sin 2A. Likewise. So again I can cancel here and here. It will be 6 simply. So I want to group this sin pi by 6 and cos pi by 6, and again multiply and divide by 2 here. So again I want to take this 2 this side. So it will become 2 root 3 there. Inside the bracket simply I have 2 sin pi by 6 and cos pi by 6. So this can be written as sin 2a. Sin 2a is sin 2 into pi by 6. Cancel these two. It will be 3 there. So sin pi by 3. So now I have 2 root 3 into sin pi by 3. So now what's the value for sin pi by 3? So sin pi by 3 is sin 60 degree. Sin 63 value is root 3 by 2. So here we can cancel this 2 and 2. Then root 3 and root 3 will become as 3 there, which is the answer. Okay.